the first week of March for zodiac sign Libra. We are going to take out 4 cards, friends. One from the regular tarot card deck, the another one from the Light Seers tarot deck, one from Monology, and one from Keeper's deck. Okay, thank you. Libra, first week of March. One from, this is also tarot card deck, friend, for Libra. Thank you. One from Monology. One from Keeper's deck. As this is a general reading, it may resonate you, friends, and it may not. Okay, now let us open the cards first. Okay, the first card is 4 of Cups. Can you see? Yeah. So, actually the 4 of Cups, I feel maybe in February you have lost a few opportunities, or maybe you were not successful, friend. But this week, I mean, the beginning of the March is going to give you a very good opportunity. Just look for that opportunity, okay? Focus on the future, or you may say on the present, instead of looking back. See, past will never serve you anything. Only the present and future is in our hands. So I think that even in, say, career, in finance, in love, everywhere, what I feel is you are going to have a very good opportunity. God is going to give you a good opportunity. Go for this opportunity, friend. Don't be sad, don't be panic. Now, what is there? And on that you have to work and make your present and future safe and secure. Let us see the second card. Okay, it is 2 of Wands. A very beautiful card, you see. 2 of Wands. Same thing. You've got one wand in your hand. Then you're looking out of the window. Means you're looking for opportunity which is coming to you, I mean coming towards you. You're just waiting for it, just having a glance. That's a very good. So here, if you understand that, instead of just going, making the past more and more in your memory, erase that memory, live in present. When if you live in present, the opportunity which is going to come to you, you can see there is a globe. So maybe from the place where you live, maybe it will be from other places, or maybe international. That's what I feel. You're going to have an opportunity which will not be from your own location, but a little bit far away location. But a very good opportunity. Energy is also there, so just use it. Okay, let's see what Monology card gives you the answer. North Node. See, this is the very beautiful cards. Step out of your comfort zone. Yeah. Step out of your comfort zone and, feel or understand the opportunity which is coming on your way, and you start working on that. Whatever the position, friends, we have to come out of this and start a new beginning. Because life is continuous, it cannot be a stagnant. So you cannot make your life stagnant, but just move. Okay. Now, next is official person. Okay, just see, very beautiful card, isn't it? Official person, that means some person of a high gadget is going to help you. Maybe in a company, that person is having a very high position, CEO or something, or maybe in government department, anywhere. And this person is going to help you to realize the opportunity, or maybe he is going to give you the opportunity. So if he is making so many efforts, just he's just giving you a boost, you can see. It is you that you have to grab this opportunity and work on it and come out of it. So fam, whatever has happened with you, just forget it. Move on from that situation and go for the next, the opportunity which is on the way. Even I see official person also means a dignity. The work which is or the opportunity which is on the way, which you're going to grab, will make you dignified. So don't lose this opportunity. Okay, let's see what are the general messages from the universe for Libra. Thank you. I am just seeing the Two of Wands again attracting me, It seems that you are waiting for something. Not only opportunity, but something new. Maybe a new home, you are shifting, you are waiting for the new home to be completed, and you're just waiting to shift there. Something new. A new things is going to happen in your life. New home, new opportunity, new partner. Maybe you are longing and you may get this partner. Because again I got that vibration. So yeah, let us see the general messages, friends, for Libra. Thank you very much. What are the messages? Let's see. The very first message for you, friend. Cancer. Maybe a person from Cancer may help you. Karka Rashi, according to Hindu, he says a Karka Rashi, isn't it? Yeah. Marriage, I told you. You are waiting for some partner, some new partner coming towards you. Okay, the next is the month of November. Remember, the month of November maybe make some significant event in your life. Okay, the next is shopping. Okay, great. You may be going out for shopping in the first week of March. That is the best relief, just to forget all the sadness, all the things which did not, which was not fruitful, or which was just useless for you. Just forget that. Q. Okay, the next one. Have a faith in your dreams. Definitely, maybe you will get some clue in your dreams. Just follow your dreams, because I think dreams are something which tells you what's going to happen. The next is Libra. Okay, as we are seeing Libra only, just see, very appropriate, isn't it? Libra. Number 12, maybe your house number is 12 or something very important for you. Okay, flame watching can help. I think flame watching, according to me, what I'm getting is some fire in you, to come out of the situation and in which, you're stuck up. So the flame watching, actually, see, when we light the candles or diya, anything, lamps, we get energy. So I think the universe is telling you to watch the flames and to get the energy so that you can move forward. Sky blue is the color which will be which you can use in the first week of March. Okay, baby owl. Very good. You know what is baby owl? Owl is for the wisdom or for the learning. So maybe you have to learn many things, friends, because see, when you are going for a new things, maybe you have to learn many things according to the situation. Now, what is the love messages for you, friends? Let us see the love messages for Libra, the first week of March. Thank you. Heart needs mending, healing. That's what I told you. Whatever has happened to you in the month of February or in past, just forget it. Heal yourself. You see, when you heal yourself, then and then you can accept the new life partner, new opportunities in your life. Because until you are stuck up with that X things, you can't move. You can't give your 100% to the new things. So, you may not always understand why certain things happens. However, there is always a higher purpose to the event in your life. So just take it as a bliss. It is a blessing, you see. Only sometimes we do not understand when the things happens to us. Why we just go on thinking, why this has happened to me only. But always there is a special something the universe gives us the message. So friends, that's what I think that universe wants to tell. Whatever has happened has got something, and learn from that. Learn from that particular incident which has occurred in your life. So okay, that's all for you, Libra. Have a good day.